Top of the morning, my wonderful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Know it's been a while. Yard and abroad, you know it's been a while. Since you know, see we come out here and I represent. But guess what, people? We are back. You don't know what's going on, peeps. And today, we are going on an epic crab hunt. Me and Crespo out here today, so people want to keep it locked to the video and see what I go on. Because today, me hunt some crab with my beer on. You get what I say? People ever get no rain from the other day? Because you don't know. No rain no fall, so you don't know it's going to be a epic hunt. Because the water them low, so you know the crab them there in them hole a hide and something. So you know if we catch crab is a bonus. So people, keep it locked. Watch where you go on. Today, I go epic. Yeah man. Yard and abroad. Yeah man peeps, so you don't know where I go through the tick swamp plan. Yeah? Check where see if we can catch nothing. We don't know. As me I tell you no peeps, water no too. Normally them place here peeps, water would and there them place here, so you don't know. So the water kinda low upon the land, you know. So it a got a bit rough today, but if we catch something peeps is a bonus, you understand? So we are chat through the land and see what go on. Yard and abroad, we outside. Yeah man peeps, so see some water we pounce up on some water here. So them are an ideal place to check if we can see them, you know. Cause them like water, you know. Yeah man. Mosquito out here enough to, you know, peeps. Yeah. Can check some holes as well. You know we catch them out of the holes too, you know. It's dangerous, but it can happen. You know man. Yeah man peeps, so see one pan the mole edge over there, so you get what I say? See one pan the mole edge over there, so I go try walk around and go grab him. Them fast, you know peeps, so you don't know if him see him gone, so peeps, I walk around and try grab him. Yeah peeps, he make a run feet, you know, as me tell you, say them fast, you know, but we are go try it. If we can grab him, see him here. Remember, it's dangerous, you know, peeps, because we don't have no gloves. Hold on, which one of them hold on in this or that? God, peeps. See them running. A huge hole, you know? They're too big, man. God. Take on yourself, peeps. Move along down the line, him gone, man. Yeah, peeps, I see one in our hole there, so I'm going to try to catch him, you know, peeps. You get me? I'm going to hold him, you know. No, man. That is it, peeps. That is it. Hold him, you know. First one, you know. See it? Female, you know. Ah. See it, peeps, how dangerous it is. Yo, can't laugh, you know, because I'm not getting no bite yet, you know. But this is the first one. Yeah, man, a female, you know. Yeah, when we catch a male one, if we catch a male, we'll show you the difference. But the female,
between them.
that one here, brother, you know. Here's a brother. So, yeah, man, nice female crab, this peeps. First catch, you know. Yeah, man. Time dry, so that's how we have to really go about it. So the first one in our bag, you know. Yeah, man. Movements again, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. We are going to the jungle, as you know, see. We catch one already. Yeah, man. But we are try to go down. People, I know you might laugh off of me today, you know, because as you know, see, look, you know, bare hands. But you know, see me catch a one there just so look a while. And no. When the real thing start, you know, we see. You understand? So, if you see me go through and none no bite me, then you know, say, I'm skilled. Okay? So you just go and keep it locked, man, yard and abroad. Yeah. Alright, peeps, you see over here, so now, see it normally, pure water, this side of the swamp. You know? So, the crab, the natural habitat, this, you know, peeps. So. Down. Hey, guess something?
Yeah.
More than one crab in the hole. Oh, on the god. Yeah, man, peeps. Ah, damn.
Can you bite you?
No, man. My hand, man. My hand, man. And it's spraying, remember, you know. See the peeps, still have a swell on it if you don't look. See it? Yeah, man, it hurt up, man. Ah. But second one, you know, not bad, don't. See the toe here where him lose, and when next crab with in a hole, hold on upon him toe and dry it off. Alright, this is a small male peeps. You know? Small left hand male. You call them here left hand. Them paw, the bigger paw, they on the left side. So this is a left hand male. Anytime I say we catch a right hand male, you see how big him be. And big right hand male we are searching today. So far, see it there? Dangerous in the peeps. Look, dangerous. You might not bite this, but look. Dangerous, man. If this catch a finger, you know, trouble. You know? As I say, my beer and out here today. But what I go do? I go check how deep the hole is because I see the next crab. So, look there. Second one, peeps. So, earth up my hand as well. You know, I have a sprain. You know, I'm a giant here, so as you see it, it's still swell, but work have to go on down. So. Deep, man. Oh, that deep. Oh, deep in general. Yeah, man, peeps. So, you know, it's swamp mosquito. Let me show you what I go on if you don't think I joke, peeps. Look here. This is 1 year, so you know, him not move, you know. See how big him is? Yeah, man. Much blood him suck. See another one there, so. I know I feel one around there, so. But I have to, I'm going to catch him, you know. Or I only catch one. Yeah, man, peeps. So, the swamp full of mosquito. Look here now, peeps. This is a nice crab claw.
Right time.
You see me? Stinking up, peeps. Stink. Yeah, man, like somebody catch him and him lose him paw, so then let him go. Even mongoose kill them too, you know, peeps. And mongoose, I want a mongoose favorite meal. You understand, peeps? So look, nice claw, you know. See it there? Yeah, man. Alright, we are go hit back the hunting, peeps. Yard and abroad. Yeah, man. So, peeps, pounce up on next two huge claw, you know. Yeah, man. Them here, can see say them here there for a while, you know. See it there? Yeah, man. So, we not catch nothing like that yet, but hopefully, you know, we are go through the jungle, so. Then say, how you go? Luck fortune the brave. Something like that. One over there so to you know, peeps, but can't them say what you do? First water hog sick, wash. And the weird, you know. This one. No one thing loose, eh?
Big off the dirt, man.
In claw, you know? Don't want to use in claw. You have a nice claw. Don't want to lose it. You don't want to put me on in here neither. Alright, come. Here we go, peeps. Left one again. Yeah. Come on, peeps. Another meal, you know? Yeah. Another meal. See it beer and we are do it, peeps. Well, it's the third or fourth? Third? Yeah, man. This one, you know. See if we can grab him. Yeah? Yeah, man. Difficult to wait for. See if we can grab him from the angle here, peeps. Boomba! Man, stuck in our road. Oh, my dog.
That's okay, I'm with you, I know.
My road, the pant up my old dog. You see you, them I am big finger stuck in a hand dry back in the man with my body waiting a dog. Watch out, man. That's what up back in the chat.
That's all up back here. That's all up back.
Yeah, man, my beautiful peeps, so yeah, reach our local intersection in our swamp. So what we are going to do, go out on the sea, I go see if I can wash off some of the swamp muck off for me because it's a scratch. You understand? So make go head way out on the seaside. Yeah? See if we can find a little chap goat. This sound a bit nearer. Man, babe, so as I said before, come out and I see water, get some of the muck off for me, you know, then we continue the hunt. So go down there. Ah, but these good, you know. Yes, peeps, so yard and abroad. Second part of we hunting, you know. So we round one place named Point. You see me, we are come from round that side there. You can't see round there so now, but we round this side there, so hope we fall in some luck where we can catch a big one, because I want to show you a big one today, you know, peeps. So we are going to head over there so in the swamp. See what I go on. So people, keep it locked, man. Stay tuned, man. Remember, you know, leave a like on the video. Share to a friend and a family. You see it, peeps? Yeah, man. We're outside. Oh. I want to sit in the crab them.
Two of them.
No, man. I want to sit in the crab them.
Wow.
I'm two in our mouth crab every week.
Three of them.
They want you.
Four of them.
I'm going to crab them every week.
Oh.
People say they can't eat, but you know eat them. But then sometimes we crab them, go there with them. So they look like. You wanna we crab them then now? What am I doing?
Knock you up, Chili.
Eh?
They tie you up.
I'm fast and gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm fast. Oh my God. Damn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it. You can't make it over here, sir. Yeah, why you go look for a crab there?
Let's see them, man.
Them a bite off of me, you know?
Yeah?
Them a bite off of me too.
Watch crab, man.
Off of my foot.
Yeah.
Now come here.
So then I eat them. I'll bite you.
White mosquito.
Watch out one. When I phone call that.
Yeah. Look for crab, man. Suppose me not catching crab. More than 100 the one place. Peeps, look for that one. Massive, you know. But the thing about it, this are the reason. I don't know when, as me say. I have to do one local research. You see if I find out so them are okay to eat. Oh, mosquito, Pete, mosquito. Yeah? I eat some of them, but look. This in a peeps. Them pie look dangerous than full land crab them, full mud crab them in a peeps. You see me? Look there. Yeah man. Big male one down. Let him go make him go on, you know. So one here we farm peeps. Yeah. It's a small female with palm. See him? When we say palm, these here so I'm eggs them. You notice here so lift up off so all of them here is eggs under here so this is a female one with palm, Yeah man, and same crab them with the ear on them foot. Yeah. Different from our species if you look. How I own them here. Yeah. This different one so put him back exactly where I see him. I don't know if I beach him I go wash him palm or I head back to swamp so let's go on our journey. Yeah man peeps, so to really take a look. So much crabs you see around. Yeah.
Oh God, earfoot.
Let me see if I can make me see in a bongo. Look at that. Over there so peeps. Come on. Crab to kill. Look at the male one here peeps. Huge in this, don't. Come on. And in there with one bag of female crab. Most of them when I see them palm peeps. But I think them population this high peeps so we can see them so much is because we don't really catch them, Yeah man, we don't really catch them type of crab here. Look over there so peeps in this. The way I turn you see them in the peeps, you see me? Yeah man peeps, so as we come down peeps, me not lie. Them a get more and more and more. Come like we can see the type of crab we are on for, you understand? But look at peeps. I'm getting more and more and more. And the funny thing about it, we don't see none of them type here. Down on the next side, you understand? Yeah man. Crab for days peeps. Crab for days. You want to see crab sweep? Look there. Come on peeps, crab for days. Look.
Crab for days.
I think we ever catch no more type of crab. Come on. Do your turn. Crab killer can even see my water to water. Yes my peeps, yard and abroad. So we hit 4 crab done. We catch 4 nice one. We don't have no reason for complain, Because you don't know I think we come out on a dry time. And then again, we come out on a dry time and we're down in a June, so crab season kind of out so we don't really see them like that. But if we get look rain one at the time then we can come attack them. But peeps, them different type of crab we see like in our life, we don't see more than 1,000. I go to 2,000 to 3,000 people. We don't see none. So, think about it now. We have to come give you a video on them type of crab. If we find out them safe to consume. So, that's our next video where we are look forward to. So, we are find out if them safe to consume. And if so, I don't know. We are going to eat some of them make us see so. Right now, we don't really have any video, but we are going to head back up the sea. You get what I say? I don't know we cannot go out there and anything excited happen so. We just keep it locked peeps. Yard and abroad. Stay tuned. Yeah man peeps, so we buck up on a local tree with some jelly. You know we're thirsty. Yeah? Yeah, man. All about survival. If you don't know if you survive in the wilderness, then we'll go. We see 3 on it. So we are take off 2 and left 1 for another thirsty man, you know? So we can see how this a sticker can do it. Yeah. Another man a go pass and thirsty to, you know. This a sticker look like, yeah, man, it's a work, yeah. One. Yeah. 2. 1 feet. You know the operation, yeah? How we do them, yeah? We don't have no knife. We don't have no cutlass. All this a general. Yeah? Show you how we run them operation, yeah? Eh?
Fresh, man.
Fresh?
Refreshing.
Save a life, you know? Alright, 2. Yeah, peeps. Been a epic day. We not catch nothing much, but get a jelly for drink and 2 local crab. Head back up the beach. See what I go on, you know, peeps. So go and keep it locked, you know? Heart of love, man. Hard and abroad.